So yes po, magandang araw and welcome muli sa ating video today. So andito naman tayo sa Moncayo, Davao de Oro. Today is Monday, September 11, 2023. So panonoodin natin mamaya yung Sikad Kariyawan Mountain Bike Challenge. So araw ng Moncayo. And isa sa mga activities nila yan dito, kasama yung motocross and iba pang mga activities mamaya na makikita natin. So ang oras pa lang natin is 7:26. By 8 AM mag-i-start po itong mountain bike challenge dito. So abangan nyo po, umalis tayo ng Tagum around 4:30 AM papunta dito po sa Moncayo. Ayan, so update ko kayo mamaya kapag mag-i-start na itong mountain bike challenge. Nasa around 29 kilometers, no, based sa pagkakarinig ko kanina, yung tatakbuhin. So andito yung pinaka start and dito rin yung finish line mamaya. So abangan natin yan. So naka-ready na yung mga sasali dito, iba't ibang kategory, no. May mga bata, may mga ages 40 and up, may mga ladies, etc etc. Okay, so update ko kayo mamaya and abangan nyo po yung ating mga videos today.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Okay, so time check tayo, no. 8:47, 7:40 umalis, nag-start yung race and ayan na yung pinakauna. So more than 1 hour, no, 1 hour and 7 minutes. After 1 hour and 7 minutes, no, nasa 29 kilometers yung buong race ng mountain bike challenge dito ngayon. So yun yung first, wala pa yung kasunod. Ang layo ng agwat. So So ayan yung second and third, no, 8:49 AM. So mga 2 minutes yung pagitan dun sa first nung second and third. So paparating na yung fourth and fifth. Time check tayo 8:52. Yan, 8:52. So iba't ibang kategory po yan Iba't ibang kategory. May 19 below, may 40 up, 30 to 39. So check nila doon kung sinong mga nauna, pero in general ito yung top 5. May ladies din pala. May open category din po. Sigawan yung mga estudyante doon, no? Oh. May veterans, may open category. Iba-iba, no? May age bracket. Under 19 below. So number 6.
Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.